make 1 minute video on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app in your phone. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok app. Different videos will appear here. We are going to know that how to make 1 minute video on TikTok. Different options is being appeared in front of you like home, friends, plus mark, inbox and the profile. For making 1 minute video you have to move to the plus mark here, and moving to the plus mark you have to see different timing like 15 seconds, 60 seconds and 10 minutes. We are going to make 1 minute videos, that's why we have to select the 60 seconds means 1 minute. Click on this mark and you will start make video. Like completing your 1 minute, click on this red check mark and you can see your story, and next you can make this video, edit it to your story, and you can also posted it on your and make it drop. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.